All right, welcome back. Talk Radio 790 KABC. Raymond, what is the name of this show?
What's your problem?
Cameron, what is the name of this show?
What's your problem?
I will now give you the correct name of the show. So, what's your problem?
Oh.
You got to get the so in there.
So.
All right, we're having so much fun in the studio. I got two amazingly successful, talented, just really great guys. Cool guys, caring guys.
Handsome guys.
Very handsome. They're dressed beautifully.
We're made for TV.
No, they walked into the room. No, sir, they walked into the room. I go, these are my guys. You know, these are no schlemiels, these guys.
Yep.
Anyway, we're talking to the very talented Cameron Shahabi and also Raymond Babayan, and they are with ValiantLaw.com. I think we have a caller, and we are dealing with employment issues and mostly employee situations that may make them uncomfortable. Mitzi, is that you?
Hi.
Hi, Mitzi.
Hi,
How are
yeah.
you?
I'm good.
Good. So what can we do for you, Mitzi? Can we help you out with something? You sound a little on the younger side.
Well, there's a situation. So my niece just finished school, and she started this new job, and she's kind of hesitant about talking to somebody
Mitzi,
about what's going on.
We're on radio, so can you talk a little slower, please?
Okay. Can you hear me, though?
We hear
I'm
you,
outside right
but
now.
a
I
little
took step
slower.
outside.
Yeah, go ahead.
Okay, so my niece is having this situation where she started this new job, and her boss has been inappropriate with her more than once, and she doesn't really know who to tell without losing her job. So she asked for my advice, and I haven't really given her an answer yet.
Okay, so this is your niece. You're close with her. She started a new job. The boss is inappropriate with her. What should we do? All right, who wants to take this, fellas?
Mitzi, have her call us.
Yeah, Mitzi.
Have her call us right away. We'll
Mitzi,
talk to
call
her.
the guys. He'll help you out, and you could call him first for your niece, or she could call, and they'll want to hear, what type of being inappropriate and all that, because it's the beginning of a lawsuit.
Yeah, we need the details, but you can also tell her for now, take a look at her employee handbook. It would talk about their anti-harassment and anti-discrimination policy, and it would talk about how they want it reported. I'm always a fan of abiding by that. But again, before you do so, strongly encourage you call an employment lawyer.
Yeah. Okay, Mitzi, this is easy. You ready? ValiantLaw.com. Valiant, VALIANT, law, and ask for Cameron or Ray. Tell them you're a friend of Stan's. Because we're good buddies now. No, but what you're saying is not uncommon. And she's probably, that would be against the Me Too movement if I said she's probably attractive. She's a woman and she's being hassled.
Yeah, and even the
It's not
smallest
an
things.
uncommon thing. I mean, I hear stories like this all the time, and it's happened to several people that I've known. And, most of the time they weren't able to do anything about it.
And I'll add to that, it doesn't just
quit their job.
Exactly. It doesn't just happen to women. Beyond that,
That's true.
in the meantime, until she makes that call or documents it to them, document it internally for herself. Keep a note of what happened, who was present, what was said, how it was said, etc.
Yeah, and we get a lot of things where, females say, well, I get that all the time. That's not appropriate. It's not appropriate in the workplace.
No, not at all.
That's not okay.
No, and listeners, too, get that message out. And right now, if you remember it, write it down now. If it happened yesterday or a few days ago, and then start from today forward to document this stuff. And Mitzi, for your niece as well, help her or get her, one of these little calendar booklets where on the date and the time this was said, this has happened, use quotation marks, and you'll build up a case and you go to the guy. Just go to the boys. They'll tell you what to do.
Okay.
Okay?
Thanks so much.
You got that ValiantLaw.com, right?
Yes.
All right, Mitzi, thanks for the call. Appreciate it.
You're welcome. Bye.
Boy, and I'm sure it goes unreported so many times. And look, there probably are some men or women maybe don't like it, but then it could get to a point where it's just not acceptable.
That's right.
Anymore. All right, well, this is the part of the show where we have some fun, where I put our attorneys completely on the spot.
Oh.
Not really. Okay. I'm gonna start with with Cameron on this one. Doesn't have to do with the law. It's just being human. Cameron, best advice you've ever been given.
Ooh.
Oh, baby. Raymond, be thinking of it. How about Raymond? Anything at the top of your mind? top of your head?
My
Great advice.
Best advice was don't be a hypocrite. And so I found myself doing the same thing. Like I'd give my kids advice, and I wouldn't and I wouldn't be following that same advice myself.
Yeah.
And so I'm not a hypocrite with that. And my biggest thing I tell everyone is you have one chance at this life. Do it
the right way.
Do it your way. Yeah. Don't make regrets. Yeah.
Do it your way.
I think
Cameron?
for me, it's learn from your mistakes. You know, I think I'm perfect. I know Ray thinks he's perfect, but we're not. We make mistakes. But one thing you got to do is when you make a mistake, you learn from it. I'm going to make a mistake until I'm 110. I'm living until I'm 110.
Yeah.
But, you know, learn from it. Yeah, I hate losing, but, you know, sometimes you fall, you get back up, and you learn, and next time you don't make that mistake again.
This is a very tough question, but it only counts if you answer it right off the top of your head. Boom. So I'm going to go boom. You don't answer it, you're disqualified. Raymond, and you can't say when you got married, you can't say when you had kids. Best moment of your life.
I was 9.
Oh, he kind of knew what I was
know.
saying.
No, I mean,
you know.
Yeah,
Well, what happened?
I told you I'm a Lakers fan, right?
Yeah.
I was playing in a junior basketball league, and they had a raffle. My dad was our coach, and the top 2 teams had an opportunity to play in front of the home crowd of the Lakers, and we won.
Oh, my God.
So at the age of 9, 1988, we played at the Fabulous Forum.
Lakers.
Fabulous Forum, halftime of a Lakers Utah Jazz game. Karl Malone, Magic, Kareem. So I got to play at halftime in front of a sellout crowd, 17,505. We won 4-2. I had all 4 points.
Oh, my God. He is good.
I'll never forget that.
Yeah.
That's
wow.
Yeah.
And then you sat and watched the game.
And then we sat and watched the game. I don't remember anything about that game aside from my claim to fame. My fans follow it at the Raymond Babayan on Instagram. They've seen my video. They know what's up.
I love it. And Cameron.
You can't do marriage or the lame ones?
No marriage.
Your wife's not listening right now. You're good. Go ahead.
No, you can't do the day my children are born or day because it's too easy.
Yeah.
This one's kind of boring. The bar, passing the bar. That was
that was
huge.
You said it was the day you met me.
That's true. I was going to.
Yeah. No, but come on, that's a very memorable day.
The bar exam is a huge day. I mean, that's a tough exam.
Mine is a little different, but we only have a couple minutes, so let me go with you guys. Okay, this I know the answer already. Well, Ray, favorite athlete of all time? You're going to take Kobe?
I have to go Kobe.
Kobe is great.
Yeah. As I watched him from beginning to end.
Yeah.
So it has to be Kobe.
I watched him I was at a game when he was 17. He won the game.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'd say Black Mamba too, Kobe, because he's just so underrated too. I mean, he just constantly gets, pooed on. I mean, he's definitely top 3.
Let me ask you this question though. Okay, Michael Jordan.
Yeah.
Right.
Kobe.
LeBron. I hear what you're saying. The best. Okay, but who is the best leader? Which is very important. Was Kobe a better leader than Michael Jordan?
No,
that's open to debate.
Yeah.
I don't consider.
I think Jordan. They were more afraid of him to screw up. Not to screw up.
Yeah.
I don't know if Kobe was able to command that kind of I don't know.
Correct. And frankly, I don't know if either were great leaders. I would probably go Magic.
Magic was a better leader. Magic was a great leader.
True, correct.
And like guys like Kareem, and even they had Keith Wilkes, who changed his name.
Jamal
Wilkes. They were older, but they weren't afraid to defer to Magic. Magic was just best basketball player of all time. Kobe. Okay, you're starting. You got 5 of the best. We only have 1 minute left. All right, we'll have to do this the next time you guys come on. You were absolutely fantastic. I've never had a show that went this fast. So most importantly, let's get this down. Valiantlaw.com. Valiantlaw.com. Raymond Babayan and Cameron Shahabi.
Got it.
I did it. Now, they're really great guys, and the folks that called in and anybody out there, call them. It doesn't mean they'll take your case. They might take your case, but they'll give you an idea if you have a case.
That's right.
And if you have a case, they'll help you get through it. And why not? Why should you be discriminated against? Why should you be sexually harassed? It's baloney. Speak up. Don't be afraid. No fear, no guilt. Don't forget that. All right, Talk Radio 790 KABC are 2 great attorneys. Tune in next week. And maybe we'll get our guys back on this show. They were so terrific this time.
Thanks for having us.
Thank
man.
you.
Thanks, Dan.
Thanks, boys.